Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I bought some reduced price items in Asda and Aldi, and I just wanted to quickly show you what meals I'm making with them. I got some sweet and tender vegetable stew mix. This was reduced in price to 70p. So I've thrown them in this oven-proof dish, and I've added some garlic and some gravy granules. I've poured over some boiling water, and I've added some of this ham trim, which I got a 600g tub for £1. So I just thought, oh lovely, so that's going to go in the oven now. I bought some reduced price chicken last week and I threw it in the freezer. That was £1.22, so I've defrosted the chicken for my son. So what I've done is I've kept 3 plain, and I've made like a tandoori type sauce, a homemade one, and that was using half a pot of yogurt. Oh, you can hear the rain lashing down. A bit of curry powder, some chilli leaves, some ginger and some garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. So that'll go in the oven and get roasted now, along with the plain chicken drumsticks and this sort of stew concoction with the bit of ham added. So there you go, nice simple meal. And for afters, I've got the reduced raspberries that I had and the other half pot of yogurt, so a nice big bowl of yogurt. And I've just made some girl dinner with a reduced price pizza. I've added some of this ham trim that I bought, and a little tiny little bit of cheese on top. And I've used the reduced price cherries, tomatoes and salad, and I put a big dollop of coleslaw. I get this coleslaw in Asda, it's 50p a tub, so it's really cheap, but I just think it makes a change from mayo, and it makes everything a bit more zhuzhy, doesn't it? And I also had some 12p yogurts, reduced price, all light, in my favourite flavour, banana and custard. So this is like a late lunch because I've been out shopping today. So I'm going to eat the pizza and salad and a couple of these yogurts. I'm going to throw these raspberries in the fridge and have them after dinner. And my dinner is going to be the stew, and I'll have the other half tomorrow. And my son's going to have the chicken drumsticks and the plain ones tomorrow, because I like to cook multiple things all at once to save electricity and time as well, to be honest. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe. Oh, frightened! Sounds like hailstones out there. And if you could be so kind, could you leave a comment, because this really helps the YouTube algorithm to know that I exist. And if you're interested, you could always buy me a coffee. So there you go, tandoori style chicken drumsticks and a ham stewy concoction. I'm not forgetting my girl dinner, or should I say all woman dinner. Bye for now.